In this video I'm going to show you how to play Hurricane by Emma Henderson and Ofenbach. In the whole song you have to play the same chords, the D minor chord, the A minor 7 chord, the C F9 chord and the G chord. First I'm going to explain you how to play the chords, and after I'm going to explain you how to play the riff. You can download the tabs and chords via the link in the description or via the link here. Now I'm going to show you how to play these chords. You have to place your capo on the 5th fret, and the D minor chord sounds like this. It's the open D, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string and the 1st fret on the thin E string. Then the A minor 7 chord, open A string, 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, 1st fret on the B string and the open E string. Then the C F9 chord, the 3rd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on the D string, the open G string and the 3rd fret on the B string and the open E string. And you have to play the G chord like this. The 3rd fret on the thick E string, 2nd fret on the A string, the open D, open G, open B and the 3rd fret on the E string. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 D minor, 2, 3, 4 A minor 7, 2, 3, C at 9, 2, 3, 4 the G, 2 D minor chord and 1, 2, 3, A minor 7, 2, 3, 4 C at 9, 2, 3, 4 and the G chord. And it's important that you can play these chords fluently in a row. And now I'm going to show you how to play the riff. Place your left hand in a D minor shape. And then you have to play the open D string, the 2nd fret on the G string, the 3rd fret on the B string, the 1st fret on the E string. So you get this. And it's all 1 and 2 and. One more time. And then you have to play the open E string and then the 3rd fret on the B string. So you have to lift your index finger off the E string. And it's like this. 1, open, 3, 1, open, 3, 1, open, 3. So the D minor shape sounds like this. One more time and then you have to play the E minor 7 shape, and you have to play the open A string, then the open G string, then the 1st fret on the B string and then the 3rd fret on the B string. So you have to place your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you can lift your ring finger if it makes it easier for you. So you only have to play the open A, open G, 1st fret B, 3rd fret B. One more time. So first you have to play the D minor shape. One more time and then you have to play the C at 9 chord. Play the 3rd fret on the A string first, open G string, the 1st fret on the B string, open E string, so, and then you have to place your pinky on the 3rd fret again, so, pinky, pinky, and then you have to play the 1st fret again, so the C at 9 chord sounds like this. So from the start up to this point, C chord, and then you have to play the G chord. but don't place your pinky on the thin E string, but place it on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's still a G chord, but another note in the melody. And you have to play the thick E string, open D string, open G string, and the 3rd fret on the B string. So from the C at 9 chord, so the whole riff sounds like this, in slow tempo. 3, 4. Maybe you saw what technique I used in my right hand. I used the alternate picking technique, and you always start with a downstroke and then you play an upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. So on the D minor chord I play the open D string with a downstroke, the G string with upstroke, the B string with a downstroke, the open E string with an upstroke, and then I play the open E string also with an upstroke and the 3rd fret on the B string too. Because I make a downstroke but I touch no strings in between. So, and then I go to the A minor 7 chord, down, up, down, up. Then I go to the C at 9, down, up, and then the G chord is also with down, up, down, up. So first the D minor, down, up, 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 down, up. And I hope that I learned you how to play this song. You can also play along with the original video. There's a setting button at the bottom of the YouTube video where you can change the tempo to 50 or 75%. So good luck with practicing and don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel.